At Corner View Farm Equipment, we have this 2015 John Deere 7280. This machine has been well maintained and is in great shape. Up front here is a John Deere 698 or Kemper 360 plus 8-row small drum corn head, outfitted with row sense or row guidance. On the head, there are new knives and cleaners installed. The model year on this 7250 is 2015, which is the last year for the 7000 series forage harvesters, and is also the last year before John Deere went to DEF. Machine is powered by a 13.5 liter John Deere engine with 440 horsepower. It is a ProDrive model with the ProDrive transmission with a top speed of 25 miles per hour. This unit is also four-wheel drive. It has a high arc spout with a spout extension and also has a stack of rear weights. Additional to four-wheel drive option, this machine has the anti-slip and the differential lock. Also has the engine speed management option. It is Green Star and NIR Ready. Machine has been inspected and repaired. Notable new parts on the forage harvester are new shear bar. There's a new main clutch pulley bearing. There's a new sharpening stone. There's a new deflector for the rear, in the blower for the rear. Many new liners, new knives on the head, and new scrapers, as well as a fresh oil change. To take a look or do a virtual showing at this 7280, please give Corner View Farm Equipment a call.